Hey, this is Andrew from Ortwine International with another interesting item that we've got here. We've had this thing for a long time, but this is a Mossberg 500A factory AOW. So that means it's any other weapon. So it's not like one of the new Mossberg shockwaves that come with the chicken head stock and the barrel that's a little bit longer. I think those have a 14-inch barrel. I think this is a 12. I have to get out the tape measure. But this is probably 20 plus years old, mid to late 90s, and it came in the factory Mossberg Marinecoat, which is really unique because they didn't do a lot of factory AOWs back then, and even fewer with the Marinecoat on them. So I've seen a couple of these for sale. I mean, not too long ago, for around the $1,000 era or $1,000 price. And I mean, if it's something you really want, I mean, that's 3 times the price of a Mossberg Shockwave, I think. But I thought this was pretty cool. I figured I'd pull it out and just document it a little bit, just to show what they look like. Even the pistol grip screw and washer and the rear sling swivel are stainless steel. This thing's been in storage for probably 20 years. It hasn't had a lot of rounds through it. But it's been shot a few times, but maybe a couple of boxes of shells at the most. But if you find one of these, it might be worth picking one up. People enjoy collecting AOWs just because the $5 transfer tax instead of a $200 transfer tax like on a short-barreled shotgun. But AOWs are pretty cool, just in that respect. Plus you get that cool red tax stamp instead of the green one like all the others. Well, if you find one, check it out, pick it up. Anyway, enjoy your Sunday. Have a great day. Bye.